I just want to show you the inside. I got my new seat today, so I'll be putting that in because look at this bad boy. Wind up getting some dirt in here, but all in all, it's not bad. The interior on this is really actually good, considering I live in the salt belt, so that was all white. I managed to get it all clean, but it's really not that bad, X minus the mess, but all my interior is actually really, really good still on this. Even my carpets, I just shampooed them, so I came out really good because of the winter time's horrible. Even my headliner's nice, the DVD player still works. Oh, that little piece of dirt. Even the door jambs are nice on this thing. They're all nice. Everything's nice in here. For being almost 20 years old, I think it's doing pretty damn good. I mean, that's the only part. I need to get one more can of that tough stuff and that'll come out. But this carpet was really, really, really bad. And it came out really, really damn good. I just need one more can. Oh, guys, my differential came in finally since August. It is now March, or no, it's April of 2022. That's how long it took me to get this. So I finally got that. But as you can tell, all the jambs, everything are in really nice shape still. No rust, anything. Like, it was taken care of whoever owned this first. But, yeah, that really annoys me. I gotta get that clean. And same thing with a little bit right here. But other than that, even this is clean. I just got this to get somewhat clean. It all looked like that. I got this all clean. Now I gotta worry about getting up in there somehow. That's not as easy as it looks. But all in all, for going off-roading, oh, look at this, some mud. You go clean that right up. There we go. Yeah, see, all the jambs are nice. There's no rust really. The interior is in really nice shape still. Nothing's really broken on it yet. I have to admit, Dodge knows how to make a good vehicle last, but usually they rot to death. It's not really doing that bad. So, as you can tell, the outside's nice. This is my 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Oh yeah, since my horn stopped working. Hey, she works. Yeah, everything's immaculate in this thing. I have to admit, for an older Jeep, this thing is in really good freaking shape. No rust, no rot, no nothing. Everything's starting to get a little darker here in the back here, so I'll be fixing that this summer. But still, all in all, for a Dodge, living in the salt belt, oh yeah, this is actually really good, considering there's really no rot anywhere, right? So once again, guys, this is my Jeep WK. Taking care of business and taking care of my car, because I want to keep this baby around for a while. This is going to be my towing rig, so I have plans for this. Once again, guys, this is a 2005 Jeep Cherokee, Grand Cherokee, limited edition with the 5.7 and limited slip. Quadra Drive 2. Not a bad looking rig though, guys, I have to admit. It's getting there. I can't wait to get rims and tires, and then I'll be happy. Because for right now, it only has these Corsair ATs on it, and I don't know if you know anything about these, but they're not really the best aggressive tire at all. So this is Red Hand Reviews, and welcome to my Jeep WK. I take a lot of pride in it. I've put in probably 40 hours of work into this thing. I've done so much work to it. Now my wife's Jeep, I don't know if you guys knew what it looked like before, but boy, she shined up pretty damn good, right? This is the XJ. I just shampooed the interior in this. This was absolutely, completely looking different now. Even the seats are nice colored, huh? Huh? Cloth seats, not even ripped. Huh? 20-something years old. Gonna have some stains, but she's in really good shape considering. This has the 4.0. This is the Cherokee Sport. It's a 2000. I just put a whole new front suspension, skyjackers, everything in the works, and can't wait to get rid of these. Yeah, everything's new underneath it now. Everything except for the rotors and calipers, which we have. And there's the new skyjackers right there. And the Ranchos are in the back. But really not a bad Jeep, man. She paid $1,000 for it. Need a little TLC, still does. But you know what? She runs good now. I got that vacuum booster, got rid of the evap code. There's an evap solenoid, or not an evap, yeah, an evap solenoid, or your vacuum canister. It runs off of a solenoid. That solenoid's bad. It's going to come up with all kinds of weird codes. Or it runs rough. But other than that, guys, this is my wife's 2000 Jeep Cherokee Sport. And this is my 2005 Jeep WK. And that is an XJ. And welcome to my house, basically. This is going to be my wife's pride and joy. I love that thing already. I can imagine the capabilities that has over this. So, yeah, this is lifted too, but no good tires, no rock sliders yet. But family of Jeeps starting here. I just had another Jeep roll up and I got the shifter to work. It was on a Jeep Liberty. So, I guess I'm the Jeep guy around here.